I need to know you guys at least a bit, right? So let's start with this. Let me know where are you guys from. Oh, Anuja, what are you saying? You met Alia? You should have taken me, यार. मुझे बॉय बना के लेके जाती तुम. From Delhi, Rishabh. From Kolkata, Sneha. Sneha, I could make out it's Sneha. Rajasthan, Khush, Khushu, 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 Rajasthan. Priscilla from Bangalore, wow. From Kolkata, Dhali, Rupa. Okay, Sakshi. Yeah, hi Sakshi, where are you from? From Haryana, I love you. Love you. From Lucknow, Anushka. Okay. Um, Samara Rafat from Egypt. Oh, wow. Patiala, Punjab. It's a beautiful place, Patiala. Wow. From Ahmedabad. Okay. From Nagpur. I've been to Nagpur, yeah. From Delhi. From Tripura. Wow. From Odisha. I've been to Odisha. I've been to Cuttack. आप मुझे पसंद है. थैंक यू सो मच. आपको क्या आपने मुझे पसंद किया. थैंक यू. फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र, कल्याणी. हाय. Love from Pakistan. Love back to Pakistan from me. I love you so much. From Lucknow, from Kerala. Hi, hi, Bhavani from Jammu. Hi, beautiful place, Jammu. Love from Goa. Wow, I love Goa. I love Goa. Yeah. सर टकाटक ना आप में आपको गिफ्ट कैसे मिला. शिवम भगत. ओ, इसका मतलब आप वहाँ से आए. थैंक यू सो मच जो आप वहाँ से आए. ओके, तो मुझे भेजा. आई एम देयर ऑफिशियल क्रिएटर फ्रॉम टकाटक. सो दे हैव सेंट मी दिस गुडीज़ जो मैंने टकाटक पे अभी अनपैक किया. तो या I'll show you one thing from that hoodie. I'll just show you the hoodie. जिन लोगों ने मुझे टकाटक पे मेरा लाइव नहीं देखा उनको नहीं पता होगा. I've got this beautiful hoodie from MX Player. It says Hello Rehan. This is basically for Hello Mini 2, which is already on air, streaming on MX Player. Okay, let me see. From Maldives. You should visit. Oh, don't tell me. I would love to visit Maldives. Yeah. प्लीज़ स्माइल. मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है. चलो स्माइल ले लिया. सर वेयर इज़ योर डॉग. ओके, आई डोंट नो वेयर इज़ मर्फी. कहाँ है. अंदर. ओके, सो ही इज़ स्लीपिंग. आज संडे है तो हमने बहुत लेट लंच किया तो ही इज़ स्लीपिंग. ओके, चलो अभी किसी को ऐड करते हैं. हाँ, व्यू रिक्वेस्ट. गो लाइव. Now there are 14 people. How would I know that? Okay, wait. Okay. Live with Perv 3655. I love the name Perv because I played that character. Let me see if that person comes over here.
Hi, sir.
Hello. Hi, Perv. Is your name Perv?
Yes, sir.
I can't see you. Hi,
No,
Perv.
sir.
Hi, Perv. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you?
I'm very good, very good. आप कहाँ से हो?
Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh. Wow, beautiful place, huh?
Thank
I
you,
have
sir.
never been there. मैं कभी गया नहीं हूँ, but मैं definitely कभी जाना चाहूँगा. खास करके winters में. I've heard it's beautiful.
सर जरूर आना.
हाँ जी. Thank you so much for joining the live, and I hope you love my content and you love me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll add some other people as well. Hi, Avni. Hi, Avni. Okay, bye. Bye, Perv.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, so it was nice talking to Perv. Perv. is very, very important because for more than a year I played that character and I really, really enjoyed every bit of it. Okay. So who else is there whom I can add? Let me see. How do I get to see? Himani. Okay, let's add Himani. Hi, Himani.
Hi,
How are you?
how are you?
I'm very
I'm
well. How are
good.
you?
Hey, I'm good.
Where are you from, Himani?
I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Where in Uttar Pradesh? It's a beautiful place.
Yes. Actually, I'm a big fan, and I love your eyes. Uh, मैं बता नहीं सकती मैं कितनी खुश हूँ और your expressions are too good and your
Thank you.
acting is also so good and मैं बता नहीं सकती कि जब मैं आपको देखती थी while you are आप अपने डायलॉग्स बोलते थे मेरी नजरें सिर्फ आपकी आईज पे होती थी तो मतलब इतने प्यार से इतने अच्छे से कोई डायलॉग्स कैसे बोल सकता है
Oh,
मतलब आईज में ऐसा लगता था जैसे दिल से निकल रही है वो चीजें डायलॉग्स योर डायलॉग्स आर अमेजिंग
see, now I have become red.
actually I'm very happy to see you alive
I'm so happy that I could make you happy. I'm so happy and
yeah
I'm feeling so blessed that I got the opportunity to make someone feel happy about it, about me, and I'm really thankful to you for that.
and one thing more I said आपको प्लांट से बहुत ज्यादा प्यार है
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
तो
बिल्कुल I can
इसके
show you. Okay, I'll
yeah
show you.
I also want to show you something
Okay, so
I'm
you
your
can
big
see
fan
this.
wow it's so
So basically,
beautiful
what happened is okay. There is a backstory of this. I purchased
yeah
this cup and this plate for coffee. But जब मैंने इसमें एकदम गर्मा गर्म कॉफी डाली तो ये चटक गया बीच में से. I can show you.
okay
Okay. So instead of throwing it, I thought why not making something out of it. So I decided to put some soil in it and then put a tree in it,
yeah
plant.
okay it's fine
Yeah.
but I want to show you
Please,
something
please,
also
please.
uh, how can I show you I don't
You can just
know
flip the camera from up there
where I don't know but
on your right hand side, I guess.
you can see my hands are shivering now
Don't, please, please, please don't.
wait
Oh,
see
wow.
these are my collection and here's snake plant and
Wow.
here's my aloe vera
I have so many aloe vera plants too.
yeah here's a spider one
Wow.
and here's basil yeah मतलब सब लोग बोलते हैं सॉरी सब लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं आपका फैन हूँ बट मेरे को लगता है कि एक्चुअली आई एडमायर यू बिकॉज ऑफ दीज काइंड ऑफ प्लांट्स
So
आई
sweet of
मतलब
you.
मैंने इतने सारे प्लांट्स सिर्फ आपकी वजह से मेरी मम्मा को भी बहुत पसंद है
So sweet
प्लांट्स
of you.
लगाना बट मैंने आपको देखकर सबसे ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशन मिली है मुझे लॉकडाउन में आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ मिली है मुझे by profession I'm a teacher
Wow.
actually yeah and sorry to interrupt you
No, 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 please, please.
can I take a screenshot please
Yes, yes, definitely. Why not?
thank you
Okay, and I really want to say that I'm so happy to connect with you because it you know Instagram and social media is definitely a good place to show your pictures and your videos. But moreover, that I feel that it's a place where you can inspire people, influence people, because as we call influencers, the uh,
yeah
main point over here is to influencing people to do something good. And I'm feeling so good that I could do at least a little of it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
But
1 second. Thank you so much.
most
You're a
welcome.
lovely person also.
Yeah. Take care of yourself. God bless you. Have a great life ahead, and we will definitely connect again. Yeah?
Okay, same to
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.
Wow, it was amazing to connect with Himani. I really, really enjoyed talking to her because it's not just pictures, photos, videos, or something. This is more over, inspiring someone for life. That's more important. Please join me. I will join again, guys. Okay. Let me read a few comments meanwhile. Uh, Trishla, hi Trishlu, huge, huge fan. How are you, Trishlu? Okay. One reply, Rehan, Miss Dynamic Shubhi. Shubhi, hi Shubhi. निक्की यादव आपका रेहान आपका फेस बहुत इनोसेंट है थैंक यू सो मच निक्की आई मिस यू टू Trishlu. I miss you too. I want to join you, sir. Okay, so let's join someone. Let's see. I, I don't know. Is there a place where I can see all the requests? Because I can see only uh, a few. No, I mean, I can see only one, two, three, four, like that. How can I see? Oh, yes, there is a place whom I can join. Yes, Varun. Where are you, Varun? What's up?
How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm fine.
You know what? You will not believe if I tell you. I was just about to wear a same t-shirt that you're wearing.
Oh my God.
The same color, I mean. I was just about to wear, but then मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा सा मुझ पे थोड़ा over the top लगेगा शायद, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा थोड़ा सा decent सा plain सा कुछ पहन के आऊं. So how are you, Varun?
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, let me tell all of you that Varun is one of my, um, he's been a fan since years, and he's the one who paints
Yes.
2 years, yeah, and he's the one who paints beautiful sketches, and he made a beautiful sketch of my mother and I, and he sent it over. And thank you so much, Varun, for all the love, all the sketches, and everything. Thank you, yeah.
Mostly welcome. Mostly welcome.
Thank you so much. Yeah, how are you all? How's
I'm
everything?
all are good. All are good. All are good. Parents went to Rajasthan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They will be here in nearly 20 days.
Okay. So stay safe. Try to be home as much as possible because in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, how things are
Yes.
going. So I think
Yes.
we all should be a little more responsible. And
Yes.
हाँ काम रहे तो जाओ बाहर, taking precautions, but try to stay safe,
Yeah.
right?
Mumbai has much cases, but here in
Yes.
Raigad there are not much cases.
Yeah,
So
yes,
colleges and
yes,
schools
yes,
are
yes,
open.
yes, yes,
Colleges
yes,
and schools
yes.
are open.
Yeah. So yeah, but still take care and stay safe, right?
Yes. Last time you came live on my birthday, 26 March, and today after a year, nearly a year.
Oh yeah. I mean, seriously, I'm very bad at live. I mean, no, I came in between once. I remember I was I was shooting in a beach, and from there I went live. but that's also been more than 4 or 5 months, I think. Yeah, 4 or 5 months, 6 months, something like that.
Okay,
So I
maybe
thought,
I was inactive.
yeah. But that was very sudden. I mean, I didn't inform. I just came live. So today I thought I will come live and I will let everyone know that I'm coming live so that people are informed, well informed, and they can come over and join me. And this is a
Yes.
special feature on Instagram Live that we can talk directly. You can connect with people. So yeah,
Yes.
thank you so much for joining.
Where is Murphy? He's
Yeah,
sleeping, I guess.
Murphy is just here, just here. He's licking his own feet. I'll show
Fine.
you. I hope
Murphy,
you can see. Murphy.
hello.
Okay. So he's just
So,
pampering himself.
yes.
Okay, Varun, thank you so
Yeah.
much. I'll add
Okay,
some other
just
people as well.
I want to take a screenshot.
Yes, please.
I guess you can add 2 to 3 people in your live, but together.
Is it so? But I am very, I mean, I really don't know how
Yes, you
to do
can
all
make
of
a
that.
look there, I guess. Yes, you can.
Uh, no, I'm really not able to see. See all, something is there. Okay, I can see some. No, no, they are not getting added if I am
Okay.
already live with someone. Maybe.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you
Okay.
so much,
This,
Varun, for
yeah.
joining.
Yes.
And
Thank you
I'll
for
come
adding
again,
me.
maybe on my birthday or something like that. Maybe next month
Yes,
or
I'll be
next to
waiting.
next
I'll be
month, I will
waiting.
come. I will join. Yeah.
I'll be
Thank you
waiting.
so much.
Yeah.
See you.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Take care.
You too.
Yeah.
Wow. It was nice talking with Varun. And okay, so let's join some more people. Mm, okay, 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 okay. Okay, how do I connect them? Okay, guys, I'm not very well with it, so please bear with me. I have no idea how to do it. Okay, Furkan, let's try Furkan. Okay, so who else is there? Who has sent the request? Okay, guys, let me read the comments. Rehanro, Indonesia. How are you, Awang? I'm very well. How are you? The is Karn. Looks like someone just got out of the fire of recent past. Thank you so much. Okay, let's add someone. Oh, some people are just sending requests and then when I'm adding, they're not accepting. Zubair Chauhan. Hi, Zubair. I'm just reading the comments that add me, but when I'm adding, nobody's talking. Okay, Swati, let's see if Swati is willing to join us.
Hello.
What's up, Swati?
Hi. Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai. Where are you from?
I'm from Nagpur.
Wow.
उसको मुझे आपको एक बात बतानी है.
हाँ जी.
एक्चुअली मैं एक बम्बल करके एक आईडी मतलब एक ऐप है डेटिंग ऐप. सो मैं वो यूज कर रही थी. सो
Okay.
मुझे एक आपके नाम से लाइक किसी ने आईडी बनाई है.
Okay. That's
देन मेरे
interesting.
पास चैट है. सो गई यू कैन सी.
I really can't read it, but let me tell you, Swati, I am not on which app you said.
I have sent you और थोड़ा by the way I'm not Swati, I'm Swati's friend. और मुझे
Okay,
इसलिए
okay,
बताना
okay.
जरूरी लग रहा है just because वो अभी तक chat कर रहे थे मेरे से.
He's
And
Until
using
I'll tell
your
you,
name.
I didn't get your name. I'm so sorry. What's your name again?
Trupti
Trupti.
Gatlevar.
Trupti. Trupti, see, the thing is, there are so many people must be using my pictures and, trying to, convince that it's me. It's so obvious that, people can just take a screenshot from Instagram or download a picture from Google and use it and say that I'm Rehan Roy. It's so obvious, so easy. But let me tell you, I am not on any dating app. Any dating app. I not just to you,
Exactly.
whoever is live with me right now at this moment. I'm neither on Tinder nor on any dating app. I am
Of course,
only
yeah.
available. I'm only on Instagram, Snapchat. I am on Facebook, WhatsApp, but obvious. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
He
That
said कि वो नागपुर में है और मिलना चाहते हैं
प्लीज
तो
उनको
मैंने
बोलो मिलो.
बोला.
उनको बोलो तो सही मिल.
सॉरी
उनको बोलो तो सही मिले.
सॉरी
उनको बोलो तो सही मिले, पता चल जाएगा कौन है.
मैंने उनको बोला तो वो इग्नोर कर रहे हैं बातों
बट
को. तो
ऑब्वियस है,
मैंने
तो
मैं
यही
तब से
होता है.
मेरे फोन से ट्राई कर रही थी एक्चुअली बट हो नहीं रहा था जस्ट बिकॉज मैंने मेरे फ्रेंड के फोन से ट्राई किया.
And
Okay,
he is
okay, okay.
using vulgar language as well.
Please block them and report them. And I'll tell you one thing, there are so many other people also on Instagram who says they are Rehan Roy. Let me tell you guys, this is my only ID, Rehan Roy official, and it has a blue tick. I'm saying blue tick, it's just because people can actually differentiate that this is me. That's the reason it is. So this is my only ID on Instagram. I have another ID for my food and cooking, but that's not something that I use. So yeah, this is the only ID I use. If you have anything, you can contact me over here, not anywhere else. This is my only ID.
I have DM you. Please check it out.
I will check it. By the name of Swati, right?
No, Trishna. Trishna Sapawar.
Okay, cool. I'll do that. I'll do that.
मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे फोटोग्राफ्स एंड सब चीजें सेंड कर दूंगी.
आप
सॉरी
मुझे यहाँ
व्हाट्सएप
पे DM पे स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दीजिए. I will also try to
मैं
see
स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दूँ
हाँ
मेरे
जी
आईडी
हाँ जी
से.
हाँ जी. Since I'm not on that app, I cannot block or report them. But if you are there on the app, please block and also report them. Right?
मैंने आपको फोटोग्राफ सेंड कर दी हूँ. आप चेक
बिल्कुल
करके
बिल्कुल. I'll see that. I'll see that. Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Nice talking to you. Please be safe and take care of yourself.
Yeah. Bye.
All of you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. ओह, क्या क्या होता दुनिया में, सोचो. मेरे नाम से आईडी खोल के गंदी गंदी बातें. I have no. Why? Okay. Anyway, so shall we join? Shall we add one more people? One more person. Let me see what to join to take pictures. Rehan Roy, I can't see your request. Rehan Roy Indonesia. How will I add you? Yes. I don't know if you're going to accept it or not. What's up? How are you?
I'm good.
What's happening? How's it in Indonesia?
Yes.
I really can't speak Indonesian language. I wish I could. But next time, I promise, when I come online, I will learn some few words so that I can speak, you know. But for the time being, I just want to say hi. I hope you're doing good. Okay, so he can't understand my language, maybe because I can't speak his language. So, yes, a big hi to you, all the love to you, and I would say bye bye so I can add some other people as well. Right? Bye. Okay, guys, so yeah, can you please add me, Parvalo? Yeah, what? Steph, notice my request, please. Let me ऊपर वाला आपको दुनिया की सारी खुशी दे, आमीन. So sweet of you. Ali Sheikh, thank you so much, Ali. Okay, Shruti Das Lover Official. Let me see. Hello. I can only see a fan.
হ্যালো
Hi,
রেহান,
Anji.
আমি তোমার বিগ ফ্যান, বাংলাদেশ থেকে বলছি।
Wow. ধন্যবাদ.
আসলে আমার তোমার মানে গুড ডান দেখা হয় না তেমন একটা, তবে আগের প্রজেক্ট গুলা দেখেছিলাম আমি। এই যে
অনেক
অগবধূ
অনেক
সুন্দরী,
ধন্যবাদ,
তারপর
অনেক
অগবধূ
অনেক
সুন্দরী।
ধন্যবাদ। গুড ডেট এখন শেষ হয়ে গেছে, বাট তুমি জি5 এ দেখতে পারো যখন টাইম পাবে।
হ্যাঁ আমি জানি, কিন্তু অতটা আমার ওটা দেখা হয়নি তেমন ভাবে, মানে আর কি। তেমনিতে তোমার বাংলা প্রজেক্ট গুলো আমি দেখেছি, তারপর তোমার ওই যে মিশে মীরা, কালার্সে মীরা, ওইটাও দেখেছি।
মীরা, থ্যাংক ইউ সো
হ্যাঁ,
মাচ, থ্যাংক ইউ। তোমার নাম কি?
আমার নাম সৌমিত্র কুমার।
সৌমিত্র, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ইয়ার। তুমি আমার
তারপর
বাংলা
তোমার
প্রজেক্ট গুলো
ঠাকুমার
দেখেছো।
ঝুলিতে একটা একটা
ঠাকুমার
করেছিলে,
ঝুলি,
তার ওই হ্যাঁ
রাইট
ঠাকুমার ঝুলিতে
রাইট।
নামটা বিদ্যুৎ কুমার বোধহয়, মানে
বিদ্যুৎ কুমার, রাইট
বিদ্যুৎ
রাইট
কুমার।
রাইট 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 রাইট।
হ্যাঁ ওই প্রজেক্টটাও দেখেছিলাম আমি। এমনিতে দেখি তোমার বাংলা প্রজেক্ট গুলো, কিন্তু হিন্দি অতটা দেখা হয় না, মানে
কোনো
হিন্দি।
ব্যাপার না। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ফর at least watching all my Bengali projects. They are
থ্যাংক ইউ সো
equally
মাচ তোমাকে।
close to me.
থ্যাঙ্কস, আমার মানে আমি ভাবতে পারছি না তুমি মানে আর কি আমাকে জয়েন করিয়েছো। থ্যাঙ্কস আ লট।
You know what? I should say thank you to you. কারণ তোমরা আমাকে যে ধরনের ভালোবাসা দাও, তোমরা আমাকে যেভাবে সাপোর্ট করো, তার জন্য I should be saying thank you to you. So I know a lot of people might not be understanding Bengali, but yes, I'm saying that I should be saying thank you to him, because the kind of love and support you guys provide is amazing and out of the world.
একদম তাই। আচ্ছা তুমি কি এখন মানে কলকাতাতে থাকো নাকি?
না, আমি
মানে
বোম্বেতে থাকি, মুম্বাইতে থাকি।
বোম্বেতে বাংলা প্রজেক্ট কি আর করবে না নাকি?
জানি না, সেরকম কিছুই না। ভালো কিছু এলে নিশ্চয়ই করবো, বাট এই মুহূর্তে পাইপলাইনে সেরকম কিছু নেই বাংলা। তো কিছু হলে ডেফিনেটলি আমি জানাবো।
না হিন্দিতে হলে হয় কি, মানে আমার আর কি, মানে হিন্দি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ বুঝি আমি, মানে আমি বলতে পারি না অতটা ইজিলি, কিন্তু বুঝি, কিন্তু অতটা মানে হিন্দি আর কি প্রজেক্ট গুলো দেখা হয় না তেমন ভাবে। তো ওই
একদম
বাংলা
একদম
প্রজেক্ট গুলো হলে হয় কি দেখা হয় একটু সহজেই।
নিশ্চয়ই
হিন্দিতে
আমি
এমনিতে
চেষ্টা করবো
মুভিগুলো
তোমার জন্য
দেখি।
একটা বাংলা প্রজেক্ট ডেফিনেটলি করার।
আচ্ছা, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
থ্যাংক ইউ
মানে
সো
আমি
মাচ ভাই।
ভাবতে পারিনি না, আমি অনেক আর কি এক্সাইটেড হয়ে পড়েছিলাম, ওই জন্য একটু কল মানে আর কি আসতে লেট হয়েছিল। থ্যাঙ্কস এ লট।
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ, টেক কেয়ার, লটস অফ লাভ টু ইউ,
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, বাই বাই। আচ্ছা,
বাই।
তোমাকে অনেক ভালোবাসা, লটস অফ লাভ। আচ্ছা।
Wow, from Bangladesh. Wow. It feels great, yeah, to connect with people like this. And I'm actually feeling so nice that I've come live and I'm actually getting to know a lot of you. Let me see someone else. And now it's time for me to say bye bye. Okay. Rehan, it's Aman here. I had Rehan Roy World account. I lost. I hope you. Of course, I remember you. How are you? I miss that. I miss that time too. I I am. I remember you sent me pictures of your marriage and everything. I really miss you guys. Yeah. Um, big love to you, Deol Preet Kaur. Deolpreet Kaur is your ID. And a big shout out to you, yeah, for the I remember that page and I remember you sending me all that cakes and everything at home. I thank you so much for that. Okay, Varun ने request किया है, please post this live. Okay, I'm not too sure if this live is good enough to post, but yeah, I'll see if I can. Okay, okay, I'll post it. And Sony 05, you look very handsome. Thank you so much. Uh, I'm your big fan. Uj- Ujje, Ujju Mishra. Hi, Ujju Mishra. Okay, let me see if I can add someone else. Rehan forever. I don't know if my fan pages will add me or not. Hello.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir. How are you?
I can't.
I can't believe this. What's your name?
Sorry. Sir, Pragya.
Hi, Pragya.
Oh god. Sir,
How
I'm
are
really
you?
your biggest fan.
Oh my God, you cry. Now you'll make me cry, huh, if you cry.
Actually, sir, she's running your fan page.
Yes, I could
Rehan
see
Roy
that.
forever. Yes,
Forever.
sir. She's
Why
live
you
with her.
crying? Hello, Anji.
Yes, sir. She is cry for you.
Hello,
She is
hello,
the
ma'am.
biggest fan for you. Sorry.
Yes. I'm so touched. Now, if you cry,
And
if
today is
you,
very lucky day for sir. Please listen to me. Today is a very lucky day for Pragya because she is a winner. What?
Many competitions.
which competition? Sorry.
Cursive writing and all वगैरह with on
Wow,
She win the cycle.
wow. Say, give me a high five. Wow. So sweet, Pragya. I'm so happy. I see. The, I saw the fan page, but I never knew there is this little child, little angel is behind it. I'm,
इनका
I'm
आज
speechless.
का जो तो वैसे कुछ ज्यादा ही लकी हो गया क्योंकि अब तो आपसे बात भी हो गई है तो इससे ज्यादा लकी तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता इनके लिए
yes really.
I'm feeling blessed कि you know मैं थोड़ा सा भी अगर थोड़ी सी भी खुशी आप लोगों की लाइफ में ला सकता हूँ तो उसके लिए मैं अपने आप को बहुत थैंकफुल समझता हूँ और
Buddy.
नहीं now you guys will make me feel cry, huh? But thank you so much.
I tried from my real ID and then this I said कैसे ना कैसे request accept हो जाए.
So it's God's calling, right? Because when God wants something, He makes it anyway. So you know what? Like I'm very new to not new. I'm not much on Instagram Live, so I don't know exactly how to accept all the requests and all.
I was
But
very happy when you put the story that you are coming live. Yeah.
and I'm feeling very happy that at least I'm getting to connect with you. आप लोग सब कैसे हो घर पे?
सब
सब बहुत
अच्छे
बढ़िया है
कहाँ से हो आप लोग?
सर यूपी उत्तर प्रदेश
यूपी में कहाँ से?
सर पीलीभीत
कहाँ?
पीलीभीत
Okay. Okay. So, UP is a beautiful place. I have been to a few parts of it, and it's okay. Hi to your brother also. He's your brother, right?
हाय सर
What's your name?
सर इन्हीं ने मुझको आपकी आईडी दी थी बताया था कि ही वाज सच अ वेरी
Thank you.
after that I used to follow you
So sweet of all of you. Thank you, yeah. Thank you so much. And I know it's your lucky day. Anji.
sir Suhani ji to बुला के लाओ she is also a very big fan of
Who?
you sir one request is there I DM you too and sir we want to see with you see Varun Verma with Varun
My
Yeah, tell me.
we want to see you with Varun Verma.
Yeah, you saw that. Okay.
Come fast. She's hi sir.
Hello.
Can you take me let me take a screenshot?
What's
So
your
we
name?
three are your biggest fans. Sir, we love you. Hi, we love you, sir.
Love you too. Love to all of you. Yeah. What's your name?
Hi. This is Suhani, sir.
Suhani, Pragya, and what's your name? What's your brother's name?
Pratyush.
Pratyush. Suhani, Pragya, and Pratyush. Lots of love to you.
Hi.
And love to.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for joining me. I mean, seriously, I never knew my life is going to be so nice. I'm feeling really, really blessed to have you guys. Yeah, I mean, to have fans like you, to have someone who loves me.
अरे अरे क्या हुआ?
Okay, chalo, thank you so much for joining me.
Now I feel like it's my lucky day.
I'm so happy to be a part of your lucky day. Okay, so I'll go and follow you. Do I follow you by any way? Rehan Rai Forever.
Thank you so much.
I follow you. I do or I don't.
Papa.
Hello.
Sir,
Sir.
follow back.
Okay, I will follow you back. Hello. I will follow you back. Okay. Most welcome. Chalo, you all stay safe, stay happy, and try to stay home as much as possible and stay safe.
Nowadays, I'm not able to focus on ID this much because
No problem at all. No problem at all. Focus on your studies, focus on your work, and बाकी fan page चलता रहेगा. Don't worry. Okay?
Oh my God.
Take care, all of you. Lots of love to you.
so
Lots of
we
love.
want to you to like.
I will post it.
Thank you so much.
Lots of love to you guys. Mwah.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
So we love you.
Love you, sir. Seriously love you.
Wow, this made my day. I'm feeling so good, so nice. Generally मैं live आता हूँ तो 5-10 मिनट 15 मिनट में मैं चला जाता हूँ, but this live is really amazing and I'm feeling so loved and this small kids, I mean, they love me so much. Thank you guys. Thank you for so much of love. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I will say goodbye because it's gonna be evening. and I have some work to do. अभी मैं आप सबके लिए एक रील पोस्ट करूंगा. Go check it out, see it. If you don't like it. If you like it, do like it. Okay. And yeah, lots of love to all of you. Lots of love to all of you. And all I want to say is thank you for all the love you guys have given me. I am really blessed to have all of you. Seriously, I'm feeling so blessed today. And thank you for making me feel that. Thank you guys. Lots of love. Stay safe. And yeah, bye bye.